Hello guys, and welcome back to another Minecraft tutorial. In this video, it's pretty different. I will show you how you can actually install mods in Minecraft, and for this tutorial I will show you how to install Minecraft itself and some mods inside of it. So first of all, please go ahead and open any browser in your PC. For me, I'm going to use this browser, which is Google Chrome. You can also use Google Chrome, Opera, Mozilla Firefox, or even Internet Explorer. Now let's go ahead and write here T launcher and tap on the first link. After doing so, and click on here, and for Windows, if you have like Apple, the MacBook or the Linux, you can choose whatever you like. For me, I'm going to pick the Windows one, and just after it done, you click on it. Let's wait, and click on yes, and now as you can see, it will start downloading. I click on continue, I accept, remove this, and then continue, and after doing so, it will be downloaded in your PC. So right after you do it, it will open like so. For you can just type here your name, and from here we will be able to choose whatever Minecraft versions you want. So here you will find also some modes with this launcher, which is something like this Optifine mode. There is the Fabric, and there's this Forge Optifine, and also there is the Forge mode already installed for you if you wanted it. The Forge mode helps you with installing other modes, like you can just click on here, click on Minecraft modes, and every mod in this website will need Forge to make it work. So if you want any modes of these, you can just click on this Forge mode from here, and then you can install any mode from these and go to your Minecraft file, and then you will click on modes and insert these modes in that file. After doing so, you just click on Forge again, install, and then open, and it will be working for you. So that was the tutorial for today, guys. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and thank you for watching.